So, ayan. Sa HDMI, ang sinaksak ko yung Chromecast. And then, ito yung for the charger. Ito yung para sa speaker. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan sa jack na yan. Hindi yan kasama. Ang kasama lang itong charger. Itong Chromecast sa akin din yan.
But in this set, they do not. You can see my favorite sticker here on the top right. To give you the full view on this section, we have that familiar knob we'll use momentarily. We have the golden idol and some beautiful rock work behind it that the designer did such a good job with. The colors that we see are a bit more